So my MVP family, good night, good night, good night, everybody. It's a little late, but Miss Bev is here. Guys, we were on the road today. We were on the road. I am dead tired. But I just want to come in here and thank you guys. Thanks to all of you. I see that the numbers are going up. Oh my God, I'm so grateful to all of you. I'm grateful to God. I'm just so thankful, you know. I can't ever not be thankful because every minute, every day, every hour, God just keeps opening doors, guys, and for that I'm grateful. So we see the numbers are growing, and I thank all of you who have been consistently supporting. And I also want to welcome you, the new people, to this family. Thank you for becoming part of this family and to help me to continue to share a video or two or more, and so that we can continue to grow. Who knew? I didn't know, didn't expect it, but we're growing and it's a good thing. So tonight I just wanted to share a little bit of what we had on the road. Just a little bit, not too much. So Bev Brown, and we're lifting you up in prayer. Watch your video. I see the pain, and that's life, because we all go through our what matters, and I'm just praying that God will continue to be by your side, that you will lay it all at his feet. And again, he says when we put it down, don't pick it up again when we walk away. When you lay it at Jesus' feet, just leave it there, let him handle it, because he hears you the first time, he hears you the second, the third, the fourth, the fifth times. But he says, just leave it there, and he will take care of it. So he knows best, and that's all I can say to you. He will make a way, even when you don't see a way. So tonight I uplift you and your family, and I wish you all guys the best, and hope that you will let God take control and let him continue to lead and direct. The rest of you who are going through your changes and the different things in life, then I cannot tell you how to do things or what to do, because each situation is different. But you know yourselves, and you know that with God in the vessel, we can smile at the storms. No situation is easy, and so that is why I'm not telling you what to do or how to do it. You have to know that if you lay it at God's feet, then you should just let him do his work. So as again I said today, I must give thanks to Sister Kay Dawkins, who has been my rock since I came. Thank her for the laughter. Am I saying thank her, or am I saying thank you, Sister Dawkins, for the laughter and the good? I'm telling you guys, listen, I'm home, and God just, like, you know, when you pray about things, I'm telling you from experience that God truly answers prayers. And so this is my 4th week. This is coming up to be my 4th week here, and I'm telling you, God does answer prayers. So today we were on the road with little Kayla and Lady Rose, and, you know, just awesome. So I'm tired, guys. I am tired now. But we got things done. And that's a good thing. And these children, they had to do some long waiting, but they were awesome. And so I'm just going to show you a little bit, not the big parts of where we were and what we had done, but I'll just show you just a little bit of whatever. I didn't take videos of traveling or anything, but just know that Miss Bev will be up, God's willing, and she'll continue to give you to share some moments here in Jamaica while I'm here. I know some of you had asked about listings, just information, and I promised to get it for you. maybe about developments or stuff like that, I will get it out to you as soon as possible. There was something else I needed to do a quick research on. I'll go back in the video and see what the question was. But just bear with me, guys, because I'm here, I'm cooking, I'm cleaning, I'm doing stuff. I'm really doing stuff, and I appreciate everything, and I appreciate just each day, taking it one day at a time. So now we are going to watch the rest of the video. Please give it a thumbs up. Please share it out, guys. As I said, thanks to all of you who are sharing it. I see the subscribers coming on and staying on. They're not just coming and leaving. I appreciate the contributions to the conversations, and I'm just appreciating all of you guys. So I'm just sending you love of my love, and hope that you will continue to show me the love and respect that you have always been showing. And thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. May God bless each and every one of you, individually and then collectively, so that you're going to get a double portion of blessing, because MsBev is asking God for that for you. May He continue to prosper each and every one of you in the way He sees fit. Remember, prosperity doesn't just mean a whole lot of money and confusion. Prosperity comes in a lot of different shapes and forms, guys. So just learn to appreciate it and be thankful. So have a great night, everybody. Much love. Take care of yourselves. Can be good, be careful, walk good, do good, live good, because it comes back at you tenfold. So watch the rest of the video, guys, to see where we were today and what was going on. My family, so we're in this Montego Bay here today. We drove down to Montego Bay, and look what's happening here, guys. It's like showers of blessings, I think it is. It is so windy. Oh my golly. It's windy, guys. Look over. I'm sorry, guys. It's windy.
Hi.
How are you today?
I'm doing great, thank you.
Can you do me a favor, please? I am thirsty and I don't have any money. Can you buy me a jug? No?
I'm recording. I'm recording for someone.
Alright, thank you.